Alright, so I kind of had to rig this because I'm working on putting my garage together and all I have is this one table right now. So I clamped a piece of wood down and then to clamp that. But there's two little holes right here. You can just clamp it to anything. It clamps down. There's a switch over here. Push and hold it. So let's sand something with it. And we'll see how well it does. Alright. 2x4 here. Let's test her out. Yep, does its job. So that's the reason I bought this. It's because you can mount it, turn it upside down, and it just saves you so much time. Then you sitting there having to hold the damn thing. But yeah, I'll put a link in the description. It's a newer company. Check them out. I'm impressed. I recommend it. Links are in the description.